Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the contents of the Project Life kit from the Hip Kit Club for the month of December. I'd like to start this video by just thanking Kimberly at the Hip Kit Club for providing me with these kits. I really appreciate their support of my channel, and I especially love that the supplies that the Hip Kit Club, like the kits that they make, coordinate and work so well with my own personal style of scrapbooking that it really does make it easy and a joy to scrapbook. And I'm not just saying that because they send me free kits. I would be subscribing to these kits if they didn't send them to me anyways. In fact, that is how I came to get these kits, is I tried to sign up as a member, and Kimberly stopped me and said that she would send me these kits to support my channel. So thank you so much to her for that. So I have the embellishments and the cards and a little stamp set and all sorts of fun things to share with you guys from the Project Life kit from the month of December of 2017. If you're interested in seeing the scrapbooking kits, they are the video right before this one on my channel. I will link it in the information in a little card here, as well as in the information section below. So let's take a look at, actually I always like to do the cards first, so I'm going to sit down and zoom in and do the cards. So with this kit you get 24 exclusive Project Life kit cards, so I'm going to walk you through those. So we start with this one. It says, just relax, enjoy every little moment. Then we have Hello Beautiful Life, and these are single-sided cards. We have this one with doodly flowers. This one says Snapshots of Everyday Life 2017. Oh, I love this card. And these, what I love about these cards is that they're so nice just on their own. Like, I wouldn't even want to do anything. I would just slip that right into a pocket and call it a day. Then we have this really cute black and white pattern. And we have these numbers that's like a countdown. And it says countdown on it. So next we have a card that says December 2017. And another card with some stripes and a little label. I'll zoom in a little bit more. There we go. This one says highlights and has like a white box with a green outline around it and blue in the background, and it has where and the date. This one is a plaid with pink and an orangey pink. This one is diagonal color blocking with yellow on one side and black and white polka dots on the other. Then we have this really cute star design. This one says New Year's Eve, and it's kind of looks like neon tubing. It's really cute. This one is an ampersand, and there are ampersands all throughout the scrapbooking kit this month. I love ampersands. This one says Looking Forward To, and it gives you a place to list 5 different things and then little triangles beside it for, like, I guess tick boxes. You could tick them off as you do them. This is a beautiful shade of blue, diagonal stripes, and then the same kind of pattern but with multicolored. That's so pretty. The details of today with location and date. We did this, and then a grid card for documenting. This one says week, and I guess you could put the number of the week right there. The details of today with a different color scheme. Things you say, silly, sweet, serious, and shocking, and then a little place to put a little hashtag and some journaling. That's a cute card. This one says winter with a W and winter all around it. Really nice. Always look at the bright side of life. It's a nice filler card. Nice sentiment. We get a little pocket of die cuts. Oh, wait, these aren't, wait. Oh, I know what these are. These are clips. And I bet they're from those butterflies. I bet they're from Vicky Boutin. These are these little paper clips. They're not made out of plastic, but they're made out of like a laminated paper. So because of the lamination, it's like, it's not laminated like you would at home, like with a little edge around it, but it's got like a layer of plasticky coating on top of the pattern paper. So on the back side, it's definitely feels like paper or cardstock, but on the front side, it's really smooth and slippery and a little shiny, as you can see. And what I really love about these embellishments, I've received them before from different American crafts companies, and they have a more vibrant look to them. Like there's something about the process of laminating them that just makes the colors pop, and they just take on this beautiful quality. I really love them. So there's a whole bunch of these, 15 assorted pieces. So I don't know if that's a half package or what, but that is an awful lot of those little pieces. That's cool. And then this is a Good Vibes acrylic stamp set. It has all of these different phrases, and they're tiny, so they're really good for project life. Dreams, awesome, friends for life, best day ever, share the magic, so great, I love my life, seriously, funny, mood, hashtag impressed. So those are cute for project life. Then we have a set of ephemera from Pink Fresh in the Mix collection. So I will find a tray. I just have to de-kit some of my other things before I can do that. But there are these big words like good vibes and moments, hello happiness, and then there's also some little journaling cards and tags, which are nice to have for project life. Some circles and some little flags, banners with little words on them, little tabs as well, be cozy and favorite. Yes to new adventures. We have a set of Vicky Bouton mixed media stickers. These are nice and bold. Oh, and there's 2 sheets of them. Yay! Great. Perfect. So what I really love about these is that they are kind of glossy, so they're going to provide a different texture on your Project Life cards, and I like that there's black on it. It really makes some of them really quite bold, and then these ones at the bottom look like they're done on a mixed media, like a watercolor paper. Really, really pretty. I love these. They're going to be fun. We have a set of letter stickers here from Pink Fresh, and they're puffy letter stickers in light blue. They're from the Mix collection as well. They're a cute little block puffy letter sticker, perfect for Project Life. I love that size. And then we have this set. I'm going to have to zoom out a bit so that you can see it all. But we have this set of crepe paper stickers from the Good Vibes collection. It pardon me, it includes hug in a mug on a coffee cup and a little tape deck, cassette tape, the months of the year, you do you, I believe in pizza, lots of really fun things for documenting your month. So that's the Project Life kit for the month of December of 2017. So if you're interested in picking up this kit, you can check out the Hip Kit Club website. I've linked it in the information section below for all of the videos in which I use these kits, as well as in this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will be continuing to do Project Life in 2018, and I'm probably going to start with a video just summarizing how my 2017 went and how I plan to change how I document 2018. So look for that video on my channel coming up pretty soon. Thank you so much to all of these fine folks who support me over on Patreon as Diamond Tiaras. Without their support, I wouldn't be able to provide as much content as I do to my YouTube channel. So shout out to all these wonderful ladies. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and check out these other videos below. If you missed any, all of my process videos are linked down below, as well as some of my recent uploads. Take care and have a really great scrappy week.